What's up, you guys? I hope you all are doing well. So it's 5:30 in the morning and I am at the airport now. I have my flight at around 7. After waiting for like so long, I'm finally going somewhere for a very short trip though, but yes, getting out of the house and traveling. अगर प्रेसिडेंशियल स्वीट होती तो अपने को ऐसी कोई गाड़ी लेने आती. We just left the parking area of the Enterprise Center from where we picked our car, which is Chevy Malibu, and right now we are going to Hoover Dam, which is kind of an engineering marvel, one of the biggest man-made dams, and almost half an hour away from where we are currently. So on the way we are gonna pick something to eat because we left the house at around 4 in the morning and it's now 10 a.m. here. So it's been quite some time that I have eaten anything. The last I ate was a sandwich when I was at the airport. So now we need to stop somewhere, but it's too early for any restaurant to serve any lunch menu. So we are gonna go to any other fast food place which can give us something that we could just quickly eat and then enjoy the view at Hoover Dam. This was the fastest burrito we got. I think he gave us within a minute. I don't know if he had already made it or he made it on the spot, but it was really fast. मिजोरी से निकल के अभी वेगस में आने के बाद इट फील सो डिफरेंट. वहाँ पे इतना ठंडा था कि विदाउट जैकेट आई कुडंट गो एनीवेयर, एंड यहाँ पे इतना गर्म है कि विद जैकेट आई एम गोना बॉयल माई सेल्फ इन इट. इट्स सो हॉट and this place is more of like a desert area, so if you see everything around, the roads and everything is desert, and you can see big mountains and vast lands. There's nothing there. They just have some things built up around the road, but अब तक ज़्यादा कुछ population दिख नहीं रहा है इधर पे हमको. Vegas के आसपास there are a couple of interesting places. Like there is a place called Death Valley National Park. So Death Valley National Park पे there are a couple of spots where you can go, and it's also a desert area basically. They have Vegas Strip, which is, I guess, Vegas is famous for that part. So we're gonna do that in a couple of days, not today. The itinerary for today is gonna be Hoover Dam. And ticketing at Hoover Dam is actually closed now, but we can still go there and go to the observation deck and maybe walk over there. So we're not really sure. We're gonna go and check that out. We're gonna drive to Arizona, which is around 4.5 hours from there, because our next 2-day stay is in Arizona. So another 25 minutes for Hoover Dam. So let's talk again there. The different shades of mountains and blue water makes it a very scenic view, and driving through these roads is just so awesome. Probably this blue water could be part of Lake Mead, which is a man-made lake and acts as a reservoir for the Hoover Dam. Natural beauty and man-made structure, the Hoover Dam, I'm sure it's going to be amazing because I can see the water of Hoover Dam from here, and
that's a lot of water.
Yeah, and it looks like a painting and doesn't look like a real thing. It's okay. Hoover Dam sits on the border of 2 US states, Nevada and Arizona. By taking a small walk here, you can be in 2 different states and time zones with a difference of an hour. It's like going to the past and the future in just a few minutes. There's a lot of water in here, and look how beautiful this whole place looks. I have visited a dam in India, Maharashtra, but I've never visited a dam in US. This is my first time seeing one. That too Hoover Dam, which is already very famous because of its structure. हम जैसे ही नेवाडा में लैंड हुए, it was really hot. It was 11 degrees and it was really sunny. But as soon as we entered Hoover Dam, the weather got really better and it's really nice and cool, breezy. But I'm really liking it here now. I don't want to go back to Nevada. so far I'm really enjoying the tour here. So most of the tours that they offer is closed, but the self-guided ones are open. So almost done with the Hoover Dam tour. Now we are leaving for Arizona, which will be around 4 or 5 hours more. On the way we will stop to eat something, and then I'll see you guys in Arizona then. It's freezing cold, it's -2. We still have 70 miles to go. We are filling up the tank. We are really tired and exhausted, and we just want to go to the hotel now. Just taking a quick pit stop before the final stretch. And the final stretch is always the difficult one. Rahul is already yawning.
Yeah, I'm feeling the cold.
It's cold, it's -2. So I just got into my room. It's around 8:30 right now. After driving for like 270 or 280 miles from Hoover Dam to Flagstaff, we both are like kind of exhausted and we are really tired. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and then go to bed. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and go to bed because tomorrow is gonna be a more hectic day. We're gonna do a lot of hiking and trekking. So I need to get my sleep because I hardly slept yesterday. Also, one thing that the hotel currently I'm staying, and that's on Route 66. If you don't know what Route 66 is, just Google it. So it's a very famous route, and I do plan to do it someday in future. So I'm happy that I am already on that route right now, like just touching it. But one day I will actually cover the whole thing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.